Well, I know it's been a long time coming. Hello, welcome. Here is the bathroom update. From start to finish, I just had chance to do photographs for most of it and videos on and off. So I hope it makes sense by the time you get to the end of it. A very warm welcome to new subscribers and welcome back to all of you who have been subscribed for a long time and viewers who aren't subscribed but keep popping in. I really appreciate you. Please do stick it around to the end of the video where you'll see the finished product. See you later. Perfectly round, but it's gonna fit because I measured it exactly where it needs to go, and then there's just the cutout bit that I need to cut on the edge for a nice smooth edge. Can I get a brownie point for cutting around that pipe? Well, I've just been putting some of the sealant on the edge of the flooring and the bath and all the other edges, and that's come out a really nice tidy line because I've put masking tape along the edges just to make sure it's tidy. And I'll pull it up while it's still wet, because if you leave it till it's dry, it's going to peel off what you've put on, because the sealant is a mucky job to do. And that's how I keep it tidy. Right. Plastic bag and paper towel put there, because we've just put the toilet back on and we want to see if there are any leaks. As I promised, I'll show you what it looked like when it was finished. The walls and ceiling painted the same. We even finished sorting out that dodgy edging with a make-do solution. The flooring, as I said, was packs of end-of-range stuff, so we mixed the colors and made it look like a deliberate designed pattern. Corner done in with the tiles, the shelving done nicely, homemade from what we had in the garden. The brackets were bought second hand, but are not very good brackets, because even flush and the shelves level, the brackets still skew. So not much we could do about that, but it looks fine. It looks as wonderfully homemade as the rest of it, which I absolutely love. I do not like it. Anything to look as if it came out of a box and perfect. This squeegee mop thing we use a cloth for, and as soon as somebody gets out the shower, after using this first to get all the water off, we use the cloth mop to wipe the tiles down and the ceiling and everything, just to make sure we reduce the amount of water to avoid the mold. But there you go, nice and cozy and warm and all done. I'm not so sure that vinyl tiles was a wise idea for a bathroom, because it was vinyl tiles we had before and the water got in underneath. Even though we've glued these down with carpet glue, and they are self-adhesive tiles, but we still use the carpet glue to glue them down because the tiles them. So it's done. Now, before we can put the grip plate back in, we got to change this. This is ruined now from all the black dust from the wall, but we do have carpet to replace it, and that is the next job. Sort out this landing, because you can't have a nice new cozy looking bathroom and that, you know, can't do it. So there you go, on a budget. Well, we spent more money than we had, but it was still a low cost for everything that we got done, because the tiles we already had. And I hope that has inspired you to make do the best you can. Might be a council house, but it doesn't have to look like it, like the stereotypical type council house. Well, it will do until I get this carpet changed. But there you go. More to do. Part of clearing out, sorting out, putting the house in order. And I'm very happy with the results, and hope that you'll continue to follow as we do some more clearing out, sorting, and putting the house in order. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you don't mind. I would really appreciate it. Thank you to all our regular subscribers and viewers, and also welcome to the new ones. You're so welcome. Don't forget to comment as well, and tell me what you'd like to see, if you have any questions or queries or suggestions even. As you can see, the half renovation of the bathroom has not been without its complications and discovering one problem after the next, but we have used our make-do solutions, coming up with ideas of sorting things out using what we've got, and then on top of that spending as little as possible, because we were taking the money out of the home making money. A half renovation of the bathroom helps to demonstrate that you can do quite a lot with quite a little, and it's a self-reliance thing as well. Don't forget to read the description box, because there's other links in the description box and things that I sometimes forget to put in the video I add into the description box. So don't forget to have a look at that as well. Okay, folks, until next time, take care. Bye-bye.